Some clients say that us Nailtech, we don't give discount. Everything in the nail salon is charge. But that's not true. During a nail service or pedicure service, we actually give the clients a lot of free stuff, but we don't tell them. What the clients pay for is only for the solution or skill set to polish, clean the toenail, and do some art. But what we don't charge them and we don't tell them, first is talking. You think talk is cheap? Hell no. Talk is very expensive, but we're going to put that on the house and not charge you for that. And listening. Boy, you think listening is cheap? I can put my headphone, listen to something else, but I have to listen to the client, tell me all their stories and everything. But you know what? That's also on the house. You know what else is free? Water. I don't have to give you water. You can walk into the salon, thirsty, dry, everything. That's your responsibility to bring your own water. But you know what? I'm going to be kind and nice about it. I'm going to offer you some water, and that's free. Last but not least, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi ain't cheap. Shoot. Especially want fast internet. Some of y'all got some slow one. Y'all just like to use the salon internet to make it faster. That's free too. See, we don't calculate those because we love you a long time.